Hi guys, if you're a CA Inter student, exam is just 1 week, 10 days away for you or less than that. I have a very important gift for you which is going to help in your CA Inter exams, whichever attempt it is. Sir, what are you saying, sir? The biggest challenge in the last 1 week for you is revision, correct? Sir, revision marathon, sir. No, no, no. Why will I give you marathon? I want to revise one account standard in accounts in just 2 to 3 minutes, sir. I am traveling to the exam. I am in bus. 2 minutes I want to revise. Or law, section numbers alone I want to revise, sir. How do I revise it quickly? What gift it is? Now, if we go to our YouTube channel, over here in playlist, you can find one thing called accounting standard capsule. You can see many standards over here. For example, everything is updated, guys. AS 17 in 4 minutes, AS 22 in 2 minutes, AS 20 in 4 minutes over here. Go watch any one standard and you will be amazed to see how in 3 to 4 minutes I have recorded top quality videos in the studio for you to revise this. Similarly, same manner for law also, if you are somebody who remembers section numbers for all the chapters, I have added section numbers over here. Also added important penalty sections, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute video playlist over here that will help you revise when you are traveling. So this is the gift for you guys. I hope it's going to be helpful because lot of time, money and energy was spent in revising the whole thing and preparing that playlist. How do you get access? In this video, check out the description, check out the link, it is there. All the best, do your exams well.